Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Mariah Davida here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve these eyes and lips. So if you would like to learn how to get this smoky dramatic glam, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's really get into it. I've already primed my lids with my P. Louise base and smoothed it out. I'm just taking this olive based brown from the Juvia's Place palette and I'm packing that into my crease until I am satisfied with the opacity of the shade. Then I'm going to take Pyramid. This is in the Eben palette, the Eben New York palette that I got from the Beauty Supply store the other day. And I'm just going to run that like pumpkin-y orange shade on the outskirts of my crease and fade those two together. I cut my crease and then I'm going to apply this light tan shade from the Juvia's Place palette to my inner corner. Then I'm going to take that, again, that pumpkin orangey shade from the Eben New York palette, and I'm going to place that right beside it and fade it in. And then I'm going to layer back in that olive based brown and make sure that everything is blended and seamless. Now, I'm all for the dramatics, so I'm going to take the black from the Eben palette and I'm going to fade that into my crease and smoke everything out. I wanted to also add a little bit of a shimmer to this look, so I'm going to start off by applying a glitter adhesive. I wanted the color to pop more, so that's why I applied that first, and then I'm going to dip my brush into this bronzy duo shift to like a green shade in the center on top of like that pumpkin color. It gives a really nice dimensional finish to the look. For my lower lash line, I'm just applying my base down first, and then I'm going to work that olive base brown with a small detailed brush and blend that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to start my liner. I'm taking a gel liner. This is Jet from Anastasia Beverly Hills, their cream waterproof liner, and I'm just using a small brush to work my liner across my lid. I'm working in sections until I get my smooth line. I also use this and apply this to my waterline. After I've applied it to both my top line and my waterline, I'm going to set this with a black eyeshadow. Always set your gel liners with a black shadow. This just helps with longevity so it doesn't budge. And I'm going to also like smoke it out. I tell you guys, the beauty supply store has been stepping up their game on lashes lately. Screenshot this lash box right here. These are the La Flare NY Mink NY65 3D Mink lashes. Comes in this packaging. Trust me when I tell you, when I come back with my lashes on, you guys are gonna be like, wow. I'm gonna do my lips while my glue is getting tacky. I'm taking Peaches and Cream lip pencil in Hotline, and I'm gonna line my lips with this liner first. Then I'm gonna take, I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take P. Louise lip paint in Can't Resist. Use my finger and I'm gonna apply that. I'm gonna take the crayon case Bribery and rim my lips. And now I'm going to take the crayon case Clean Kisses lip gloss and put that on top. Top everything off to add dimension. I'm going to take the Amber Sparkle lip gloss from ABH. And that's just going to add like a really nice glitter. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini, quick voiceover slash a little bit of me talking tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those post notification bells and share this with a friend to a friend to a friend, because I would love more people to join the MD Beauty family. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Bye, loves.